Okay, so yesterday, while I was out searching for birds to take photos of, I'm always looking up, looking at planes, looking at anything I could see in the sky, looking for other, critters that I could take photos or video of. And I happened to notice this random flashing light that just kind of, it's a little tiny light that was just flashing. It was kind of behind an airplane. And I decided to try to capture it. And I saw it for maybe 10 seconds or so. And my camera would not focus on it. And I thought I did not capture it at all. But came to find out that if you didn't see it in the beginning, it'll repeat it now in just a minute. And my camera is actually not focusing on anything. I'm trying to find the object again, and I cannot find it. It's just pointed at the ground. My camera is, and it won't focus on the ground because I have the lens set to, it's a minimum of 5 meters away that it can focus. So at this point, I'm thinking I didn't get it. Once again, I didn't capture the weird thing that I saw in the sky. But lo and behold, here you go. I don't know if you saw that, but there was just a brief flash there. And if you look carefully, you can see that this big flash kind of comes into focus, and you will see a pill-shaped object. And when I saw this, when I got back inside, it just blew me away because it was not what I expected at all. I don't know what that is. It's kind of pill-shaped, and it looks like it's got like 2 ends to it, and it also looks like it's got a tether that's coming off the front of it, or it's ejecting some kind of fluid or something off the front. I have no idea. But I've shown it that's in real time, and then slowed down a little bit, and then I've taken some frame grabs so you can see that each end lights up individually, and it kind of goes from like a silver look to like a brass look, and then it also will flash, and the flash was bright enough to where I thought before I could see it later, just with my naked eye, it just looked like it was something glinting in the sun, like it was an object that was metallic with mirrors or something that was glinting the sun at me. It was late in the afternoon. And here I'm showing the non-cropped image slowed down so that you can get an idea of just the scale of it in the frame at 400 millimeters on a micro four thirds, which equals about 800 millimeters on a full frame. Plus I did the 1.4 teleconverter in-camera crop, so it's even further reach. So it's very tiny, and you can see in the foreground where it locks onto a part of a tree. Just briefly, it doesn't actually lock on. It's just zooming back and forth. Kind of felt the same way about the object, but the autofocus was just not working, and so I didn't think I had captured it, and I obviously I have. And here coming up, I'm going to show some airplanes shot at the same zoom, and then this is the same crop that I just did for the object. So this is I don't know what airplane that is, but this is the wide shot, and then I'm going to show another couple of planes, and I just shot some planes just because I felt like, well, I saw it near a plane. What if I see something else pop up, and I didn't see anything weird, but here are some shots of the plane with the same focal range. It's all the way zoomed in at 400 millimeters on a micro four thirds, GH5 at 60 frames per second, and with a 1.4 crop, so you can multiply that by 1.4 and get extra zoom on it. So it's a very long telephoto. It's great for taking photos and videos of birds, and also apparently UFOs. So I'm glad you watched this. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, I'm not sure what I saw. If you know what this is, let me know. If it's something man-made or if it's something that I, just am not thinking of, just let me know. But anyways, and thank you for watching, and keep searching.